The Institute of Education Sciences, or IES, is the nation's leading source for independent, nonpartisan research, evaluation, and statistics about education. A key part of our work is answering the question, what is the state of education in the United States? A central way we answer this question is through a wide array of data collections conducted by the National Center for Education Statistics, or NCES, which is one of 4 centers in IES. First, we collect and publish data about education at a moment in time. Some of these data are administrative information we gather annually from nearly all districts and post-secondary institutions, such as the location of schools and colleges, and information about enrollment and demographics. Of course, it is not always practical or possible to collect all types of data from every school, every student, or every institution. That is why IES also conducts sample surveys that gather information from a representative group of people to gain a better understanding of what's happening in a state, a region, or across the country. For example, the National Household Education Survey provides information about the education achievement and experiences of the U.S. population from early childhood to adulthood. This gives researchers, educators, and policymakers a better understanding of school readiness, parental involvement, before and after school programs, adult learning opportunities, and more. Other sample surveys cover topics such as the teacher and principal labor market, school safety, and how families pay for college. To fully understand education, it's not only important to know what is happening at a particular moment, but what is happening over a period of time. That is why IES also conducts longitudinal surveys, which gather data over years for representative groups of students. Through these surveys, we get a look at the progress, preparation, and experiences of students at all levels of education. For instance, the early childhood longitudinal programs study cohorts of children from a young age into elementary school and through grade 8. These data allow researchers, policymakers, and educators to see how home, school, and community factors relate to academic outcomes and social-emotional development. Meanwhile, the high school longitudinal study follows a nationally representative cohort of more than 23,000 students from the time they enter 9th grade through high school and into their post-secondary years. Through surveys and assessments, this study provides insights into student achievement, course selection, college enrollment and success, and attitudes toward STEM courses and careers. These are just a few examples of the surveys and data collections administered by NCES. The data and analyses of the results are regularly shared on the IES website and through annual reports, such as the Digest of Education Statistics and the Condition of Education. But it doesn't stop there. IES funds research grants that use these surveys and studies, as well as other data, to gain a deeper understanding of where and how education can be improved in the United States. Much of this work is done through grants from IES's 2 research centers, the National Center for Education Research and the National Center for Special Education Research. These grants are designed to explore a specific challenge in education and what factors can be changed to improve student outcomes. Currently, grants using these data collections have explored education at all levels, from pre-K to adult, and supported studies of challenges and solutions related to math achievement, school readiness, and much more. The data and insights provided by IES surveys and exploratory research let educators, policymakers, and the general public better understand the successes and challenges of education in the U.S. This provides a strong foundation for those who want to use evidence to improve outcomes for all students. You can learn more about the work of IES on our website, ies.ed.gov, or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.